So we found Vantage Windows on the internet search. We'd had quite a few people quote us for the work. What I liked about Vantage is that they're sort of very approachable, and Ernie was very easy to talk with from the start. They were a trusted installer as well, and that gave us, you know, as laymen, really a lot more confidence in the company and the whole process. They were one of the better value quotes, and we had quite complex requirements with the case and sash windows, trying to replace like for like in style and look from inside and out with a Victorian style window. And so Ernie came round and it gave us a quotation. There was no pushy sales pitch, and unfortunately we have had to deal with a few of those type of guys and get them out of the house quite quickly. It was informative, really. I had lots of technical questions about the thing, which Ernie was mostly able to answer himself. We then had the surveyor Brian came round, who went through in a bit more detail, done the very precise measurements for the windows, and talked me and my wife through the process in a bit more detail, because we just didn't understand what was involved. That helped and gave us a lot more of a sort of a precise idea, and they were able to then pinpoint the quotation as well, which was a price that we were happy with. The installation team as well were absolutely fantastic. They took the time with us to explain what they were doing, how they were fixing the windows in, where the insulation was going, where the strong fixing bolts were in, and just showed us as well, you know, the whole dissection of the window, if you like. Again, if you don't know the game yourself, it's good to have that and see how the whole thing goes in. They asked us questions about different options, you know, as they were going through specific little bits of where to put the fillers and bits, and that was all just fantastic. Couldn't be happier. Really good installation. It looks quality all the way through, and like I say, it's a big old house with quite individual, tailor-made construction all the way through. So yeah, the guys just couldn't have been any better, really. Delighted with the whole job from start to finish, and highly recommend Vantage Windows, sincerely.